How to fix we cannot activate Windows on this device as we cannot connect to your organization's activation server issue. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are getting this issue or error code, here is the 3 solutions that you can try on. So for that, you have to type in command prompt in the search bar. After that, click on Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt is opened, type in sfc/scan now. Once you do so, it will start detecting for any corrupted files or folders on your device. Once the issue is solved, your problem should probably be fixed as well. However, if it does not, let's move on to the next command. The next command is dism/online/cleanup image and /restore health. This will download all the necessary files and figures. Once this is done, let's move on to the last step. For this, you have to type in troubleshooting settings on the search bar. This will open the settings for the troubleshooters. Go to other troubleshooters and tap on Run button for the Windows update. Once that is done, make sure to restart your device and the issue should probably be fixed. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.